In this video, I'll show you how to create Klaviyo email flows. Start by signing into your Klaviyo account. From the left menu, click Flows. Next, click Create Flow. You can choose a pre-built flow from the library or select Build Your Own to create one from scratch. After that, give your flow a name and choose a trigger. For example, you can trigger the flow when someone joins a list, places an order, starts a checkout, or performs another event. Now the flow builder will open. Click the plus button to add an email step to your workflow. Create a new email or choose an existing template, then customize the subject line, sender information, and email content. Next, add time delays, conditional splits, or additional email steps to build your automation. Review the sequence to make sure everything is connected correctly. Finally, test your flow, then change each email from draft to live. Once all of your messages are live, your flow will begin sending emails automatically whenever the trigger conditions are met. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create Klaviyo email flows. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.